Welcome back, guys. The MACD indicator, one of the most well-known and widely used tools in trading. But here's the truth. On its own, it's not that powerful. However, when you combine with the right indicators like moving average, it becomes part of one of the highest win rate strategies available. In this video, I will show you exactly how to pair the MACD trading strategy with other powerful indicators like moving average to create an insanely effective and easy to use trading strategy. If you are looking for a way to boost your profits and improve your trade accuracy, you don't want to miss this. The first step is to add the MACD indicator to your chart. Go to Inserts, click on Indicators, then you can find MACD under Oscillators. Click MACD. So the setting that we'll be using here today is 5 for the fast EMA, 35 for the slow EMA, and 5 for MACD SMA. And apply to close. Click OK. So you can see that we have the MACD here already. The next thing is to add the other indicators we talk about, and in this video we'll be combining moving average and MACD. Go back to Insert, click on Indicators, then you can find moving average under Trend. Click on moving average. We are going to add 3 moving averages, and all will be period 60 and simple moving average. The only difference is how we apply them. We apply the first one to high, and for me, I prefer, you can pick any color of your choice, but I prefer red. So I'll click OK. So I have my first moving average. Like I said, we'll be adding 3. I'll go to Insert, Indicators, Trend, then moving average. The same thing, but I will change this to low. Then I will repeat the same thing. Then I will apply to close. So I have my 3 moving averages here, and one thing about this strategy is that you can use it on any time frame. If you want to do top-down analysis, you can use it. If you want to do scalping, there's a trade on the 5-minute time frame, 15-minute time frame, you can use it. And intraday 4-hour time frame, you can use it. Daily time frame, you can use it. Even monthly time frame, you can use this indicator. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to use this indicator. For me personally, I like intraday trading, so I will start from 4-hour time frame. And the way this strategy works, I will start with the MACD. On the MACD, we can see this is the histogram. We can see it. What I will do, I will create a MACD line here, and I will show you the part of MACD. We have the MACD line and we have the histogram. So if the histogram, if they are above the line, the MACD line, I call it positive region, and if they are below the MACD line, I call it negative region. So when they are above the MACD line, this is the line I dropped, it's positive region like I said earlier, and it's a buying opportunity. And when it crossed the MACD line and it comes to the other side, I call it the negative region, and it's a selling opportunity. So if the histogram is on the positive region, it's telling me that it's a buying opportunity, and if it's below the MACD line, it's on the negative region, and it's telling me or giving me a selling opportunity. And one powerful thing about this strategy is that we are not just using only MACD. Like I told you guys earlier, we will combine it with another indicator to make it effective and the best strategy you can apply to have a very high win rate. So for the moving averages, like I told you, we have 3. The strategy here is also very simple. If the candlesticks, if they are above the 3 moving averages, it's a buying opportunity. It means it's telling us that the market is trending. Okay, and if it is below the 3 moving averages, it's on the that means, and this guy too, that is MACD, is on the negative region, is telling us that we should sell. So if you look at this is when the MACD crossed, the histogram crossed to the positive region. So you can see here, so we can see that it corresponds when the candlestick closed, or the price closed above the moving averages, and when the MACD crossed to the positive region, you can see that it's aligning, telling us that it's a buying opportunity. Following this, you can see that the market bought heavily. And look at this area, you can see where the MACD moved to the negative region, and the price closed below the moving averages, and also the MACD moved to the negative region, and the market started selling. So if we move down to 1 hour time frame, look at what happened of recent. MACD moved from the region to the positive region. Also, the candlestick that closed above the moving average is telling us that it's a buying opportunity. So you can see it's a very simple strategy to use. If we move down to 15-minute time frame, same thing. You can see that it has been above the moving average, and that is the price above the moving average and the MACD on the positive region. And one thing you have to note is when the market starts moving sideways, you will see that the frequency of the candlestick crossing above the moving average and coming back will be frequent. You have to pause. You have to wait and let the candlestick, they have to visibly, or it has to be pronounced that they are above the moving averages and the MACD is on the positive region or negative region if it is selling. So on 1 hour time frame, you can use it. On monthly time frame, you can use this strategy. So imagine you use this strategy 5 months ago. You can see from the same how this candlestick was below the moving average, and that's monthly time frame. You could make insane profit. So this is very easy to use. On weekly time frame, we can see that it closed, the candlestick closed below the moving averages, and the MACD also moved to the negative region. So look at this area. The market sold heavily on weekly time frame, and it corresponded with this. And when the trend or the market moved above the moving averages, you can see that the MACD also crossed to the positive region. So guys, this is very simple. In the next video, I will be telling you guys how to enter the trade, where to put your stop loss, where to put your take profit. So please hit the subscribe button so that you have full information on how to use this strategy properly. Thank you. See you in the next video.